Should we see how well this thing works?
Let's do it.
It needs to impress me. It needs to impress me.
It needs to impress you live.
Yeah, because...
You want a real review of it.
Yeah, but I had... our other pencil sharpener just died a couple weeks ago. And I've had it since my teaching elementary school days. And it was a good one. It withstood like
The test of time.
30 third graders using it all day long, plus 10 years of, you know, our own children using it. And it just bit the dust. Okay, first let's see. I like how compact it is.
It's certainly not as big as the last pencil sharpener we had.
Let's get one of these.
Fresh pencils.
The only pencils worth buying,
Obviously.
honestly. Ooh. Okay, it doesn't sound super powerful, but it's doing the job. I'm gonna see. Honestly, the real review would be like to have one of our children come in here and like cram it in.
Sharpener.
But I'm pushing pretty hard. If I go more gentle, maybe that's... What do we think? See that?
Looks good. Did it sharpen it weird at all? Let me see the end. Okay.
Like a little. Do you see how like this side is bigger?
Mm-hmm. Then the other side.
Yeah. Then that side.
Yeah.
I did it on both of these. I'm gonna do one more and see if it still does that.
The true test.
Because, and I'm gonna hold it like straight on and see if it makes a difference. Ah, that did make a difference. That is a beautiful.
Yeah, so if you stick it in at an angle.
Well, yeah, I was kind of holding it like sharpening it at a funky angle, but if I just like stick it straight in,
The reality is most kids aren't going to do.
It did a great job.
Okay. Love it.
Good point. It's not like too sharp, you know, where it's gonna like flake off and. What's this?
Something to write on?
Oh yeah, it's a great point.